A party special chicken roast with plain pulao platter is a delicious and satisfying meal that is perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying with family and friends. Here's a possible recipe that you can use to make it. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about 1.5 to 2 kilogram. 3 tablespoons. Butter, melted. 1 teaspoon. Salt. 1 teaspoon. Black pepper. 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder. 1 teaspoon. Paprika. Half a teaspoon. Cumin. Half a teaspoon. Coriander. Half a teaspoon. Dried thyme. Half a teaspoon. Dried oregano. Half a teaspoon. Onion powder. 1 lemon, sliced. 1 onion, sliced. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, peeled and smashed. 2 cups basmati rice. 3 cups water. Salt to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Rinse the chicken inside and out with cold water, then pat it dry with paper towels. 3. In a small bowl, mix together the melted butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, coriander, thyme, oregano, and onion powder. 4. Rub the spice mixture all over the chicken, including under the skin and in the cavity. 5. Stuff the cavity with the lemon slices, onion slices, and smashed garlic cloves. 6. Place the chicken on a roasting rack in a large roasting pan, breast side up. 7. Roast the chicken in the preheated oven for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, when measured with a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh. 8. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. 9. While the chicken is resting, rinse the basmati rice in cold water until the water runs clear. 10. In a medium saucepan, bring the water and salt to a boil. 11. Add the rinsed rice and stir to combine. 12. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and the water has been absorbed. 13. Fluff the rice with a fork and transfer it to a serving platter. 14. Carve the chicken into pieces and arrange them on top of the rice. 15. Serve the chicken roast with plain pulao and enjoy. Note: you can also add some vegetables, such as carrots, potatoes, and onions, to the roasting pan during the last 30 to 40 minutes of cooking to make a complete one-pan meal.